Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. I am excited to unbox this cute gaming wireless headset which has cute little ears here, cat ears. So this is the box. I bought this for my cute little Dora. Keep on asking me about this headset. So this is the box, guys. So on the side here we have some, it comes with different colors. We have black, I think this is green, I think this is blue, purple and pink. So guys, this is the box. As you can see, we have the headset here. I don't know which company or manufacturer for this one. I don't know if it is the one which is called cut, but this is model ST89M. They are wireless headset. So guys, let us unbox and see what's inside the box. So I don't know, most of the people I have seen, they are opening it on top here when it's still broken. So let us see what is inside. We have the headset themselves here. Then let's see if we have anything. Don't have anything on the box that are apart from this little, it's very short, I mean so short. I think this is charging cable. It's a micro USB cable. It is not even type C, so this is a bomber. Then I thought we have a aux cable, but we don't. It is only wireless. So let us unbox them. Let's see how they look like. So guys, after opening, these are the headphone, and we have some aux port here. I don't know why it was not included. We have a port here for your charging cable. Then we have an on and off button. We have a fast for minus, I think, or it's to reduce, I don't know, we will see. Then we have a stop here, and then fast forward, I think fast forward and fast reward. Yes, so let us I don't know if it has a juice, we can switch it on. Then we have, you can extend it like this, then even here, then you can minimize them like this. So let us switch them on and see. So you switch them like this. Wow, you can see guys, they are so cute. Then we have, I think we have some mic here, so you can use your mic here. So they are so cute guys, they are so beautiful. So you can see, let us see if you can do something else. And yeah, let's see if these buttons do anything. But I don't know if they function anything. So let me connect with my phone and see how they sound like. So let me go to my phones. Let me go back to my phone, Bluetooth, and see if they are there. They can be connected. I think is this one. So let me connect and hear how they sound like. Yes, so I have connected them, so let me hear how they sound like. So I will play one of the music, this one. Wow, guys, as you can see, if you can hear you can still hear them. I think they are very nice, guys. I have already let me increase the volume here, as you can hear. I am using the microphone. They are very nice, guys. They are very nice for a little girl. Or if maybe if you are using a different one, if you are a guy and you like earphone with ears, cut ears, you can use this one. They are very nice. You can see, and we have some RGB lights. You can use them. They are very nice, guys. I can recommend them, this one. Apart from coming without aux cable, I don't see anything wrong with them. The sound is very high, you can hear them, so I think it's very nice. I don't know if you can change these colors to another color. Let me see if you can do that. I don't know how you do that, so let me see. For what I see, guys, there's no way you can control or turn off these LED lights. That's the downside of this headset. But apart from that, they are comfortable. They last for 10 hours with the LED on, and they support Bluetooth. You can connect them to your phone or your PC, and they still have 3.5 mm audio jack, which you can still connect with your phone or your PC also. Or let me know your thoughts and question you have in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. So see you guys.